Hello. We're in some underground tunnel thing. But I do not have the gimbal, so hopefully the video is alright. Graffiti, da-da. Ooh, it's got curry water like that. All pots of fun, no, but actually not. Oh, barbecue sauce. £10 will take a lick off that. Come on, £10 now. Does this place ever end? No, we're just back to where we was. Ah. This place is in the street, Dick. So that's where we came in. This place is insane. It's more of this. This place is in... The thing is, I don't like is that's container ships. So like... More of these. Yeah, I've seen parts of it's crumbling. Like these parts, that's crumbling. More dead ends. What's your brick gone? Oh. Don't get it in your mouth. Don't get it in your mouth. A tad. Oh, that's bad. I'm gonna get like in the bones or some shit. Oh, is that it? Is that literally it? No, I need another 2 minutes. Sleeping mat. Some mats. Oh, I know what you need 2 minutes. Some spikes. I want to get you 2 minutes of content. Are you getting out of it? Are you able to send me the footage after it? Yes. Alright. Now to try and get out. Mate, if I can get out, you can get out. Get one photo. Alright, film me getting out. Film me getting out. What shall I do for the thumbnail? Oh, just take a shot of that. Alright, then you can screenshot it. There you go. You can. Right, now it's that video. Oh. Pass me the phone. Oh. What's up, guys? Nice Pringles can there. Come on. Yeah, just do the same things I did. Come on. What the fuck, Marek? What are you doing here, bro? Oh. Thanks. Oh, right. Tiny hand to go for. Time telling. Oh, thanks. Wow. That was the mystery underground tunnel. So yeah, we'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.